I love these days when the flowers are in bloom, and the leaves and the trees are green, and amazingly, they aren't even plastic. This is the kind of day when the world should be framed and hung in an art gallery. The kind of day when nothing can budge me from the peace and serenity of my bed of flowers.
Garfield, lunch is ready.
The kind of day when the flowers can wait because lunch is ready. Hey, Odie, what's new? Tell me later, I want to eat now.
Here you go, guys. I made you...
Quick, slow motion.
Thank you, Odie. I don't know what's wrong. I've been sneezing all the time lately.
Refill, please.
No, it isn't all the time. It's just when I'm around you.
What?
Could I be allergic to cats?
No, Mr. Arbuckle. The test shows you're definitely not allergic to cat hair.
But I keep sneezing every time Garfield is around. And I'm not sneezing now. Are you sure, Doc?
Well, according to this, you're only allergic to a few things. Antelope, goldenrod, and grilled asparagus. No cat hair.
So why do I sneeze around Garfield?
There is one possibility. On TV tonight, there's a show about it. I think you should watch.
And now the human immune specialist. Sometimes sneezing is not caused by a cold or allergy. Sometimes it's caused by suppressed anger.
Anger? But I'm not angry at Garfield. Well, not all the time.
You see, suppressed anger is anger you hide. Sometimes you even hide it from yourself. And you don't know what's inside of you. But it has to come out somehow. And sometimes it comes out as a sneeze.
Oh, that's ridiculous.
If this is the case, you either have to deal with the anger or get rid of whatever's making you angry.
Let's go have dinner. I made a huge roast turkey with all the trimmings. That nutty doctor. I am not mad at Garfield, and that is not making me sneeze. Garfield! You ate the entire turkey dinner? You ate all the mashed potatoes and stuffing and corn pudding and rolls? Do you have any shame? Did you leave anything for us?
Here, make a wish. Me, I'm wishing for another turkey. I get my wish.
I can't be allergic to Garfield. There's got to be a sneezing cure of some kind. I'm researching something online, Odie. Remember, everything you read on the internet is absolutely true. Here's a site that says wearing garlic can cure sneezing. Oh, I need garlic. A dozen bulbs of garlic. That'll stop my sneezing. Liz won't come near me for a month, but it'll stop my sneezing. Oh, I've got to try something else. Someone online said a hot bath can cure sneezing. And it seems to be working. It's funny, I came in to run the water and I found the tub was already full. So I jumped in.
Hey, what are you doing in my crab gumbo? Needs more salt and less John.
Heat lamp. That will stop sneezing. This should do it.
Hold still. I'm adding the melted butter.
That's it. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to see that doctor on TV.
As I said on my show, Mr. Arbuckle, sneezing can be caused by anger. This cat of yours, tell me everything he does.
Well, he sleeps.
What else?
He eats.
Yes, what else?
That's it.
That's it?
Well, once in a while he torments our puppy Odie, or the mailman.
How exactly does he torment this puppy?
How doesn't he? Last week, for instance, he got a box of gelatin mix. Then he poured it into Odie's water dish.
I see. Now, were you mad at your cat for doing this?
Mad? Well, maybe a little mad, but no, I don't get mad at Garfield.
Well, you said he did something to your mailman?
Every day, practically. It's like Garfield waits for him. The other day, he took our vacuum cleaner.
Now, did that make you mad at your cat, Arbuckle? Be honest.
Yes, No, I don't let those things bother me. I almost did, though. It was about 3 weeks ago. I know, you're thinking the ice cream truck will be along any minute and you want some. The answer is no. N-O, no. I don't feel like walking out to the curb. Boy, the ice cream truck sounds like it's getting real close.
Could I have some money for a quart of lasagna ripple?
Well, Mr. Arbuckle, it's obvious what's making you sneeze. You can't admit that you're mad at your cat.
I am mad at my cat. I didn't want to say those words, but you're right, Doctor. I'm mad at my cat. I'm very mad at my cat.
Say the words, Arbuckle.
I'm mad at my cat.
You must confess before the entire world.
I'm mad at my cat.
Louder, Arbuckle.
I'm mad at my cat.
Who's doing all that yelling?
Oh, some guy who's mad at his cat.
Is he really mad at his cat?
He sounds really mad at his cat.
I'm mad at my cat.
Oh, it must be that Arbuckle guy.
Oh, the one with the cat that eats all the lasagna?
I did it, Doctor. I confronted my anger. I admitted I was mad at my cat.
Excellent, my boy. Now we just have to do one more thing, and you'll be rid of your sneezing problem forever.
Anything. What is it?
Well, now, of course, you get rid of your cat.
Of course, I'll get rid of my cat, and then I won't be sneezing. And get rid of my cat? Get rid of Garfield?
Of course. He makes you sneeze, and as you admit, you are mad at him.
But I couldn't get rid of Garfield. That would be like getting rid of my right arm.
Think it over, Arbuckle. If you don't have the courage to get rid of your cat, do you know what people will say to you?
Yeah, they're going to say Gesundheit a lot. Thank you, Doctor.
What an odd young man. I can't understand why he won't cure his problem.
Patient's gone? Good. It's our wedding anniversary, you know. And you have to drive me to my mother's house.
Yes, dear.
John's home. Odie, I've decided I've given John a pretty bad time lately.
You?
Yeah, I have an attack of conscience at least once a year. I'm going to give him a gift to apologize.
Garfield, I found out my sneezing was caused because I was angry at you. Well, I've decided something. No matter what you do, I'll never, ever be mad at you again.
No matter what I do? Wow. Okay. Here's something for you.
Oh, you picked me some flowers. That's nice, Garfield. And you have so many different kinds. You have daisies and daffodils and goldenrod and... Goldenrod?
Yeah, goldenrod. It's been blooming outside lately. And I just love to sleep in it and roll around in it.
You've been rolling around in goldenrod? A flower I'm allergic to? That's what's been making me sneeze? And I went through all those cures and went to that doctor and all that because of that? I'm mad at you, Garfield.
No matter what you do, I'll never be mad at you again. Gee, that didn't last long.
I'm mad at my cat! I'm mad at my
Poor
cat!
man. It sounds like he's got a cold. Or maybe it's an allergy to goldenrod.
I'm mad at my cat!